Okay, so in the middle of my project, my bobbin started cutting up, so I had to rethread it. And I said, okay, everything is a teachable moment. So this is the type of bobbin I use for my machine. And as you can see, I had to take it out. I did not show that part. Of course, you just move your covering. So at the top of my machine, there's a cute little diagram, and basically I follow it. So I follow the diagram, and I basically run my thread through the top. Now, the diagram is going to help you for your specific machine, and it's going to be there as a tool to ensure that you have a great bobbin. You know, the tension is good. So, after I follow the diagram, I'm going to take it and put it in one of the little holes in the casings. But for me, I like to put it um, from the inside of the casing to run it to the outside. And this is real time. I'm not speeding anything up. Sometimes it takes a little longer. I'm working through it, and I ain't finished my coffee yet, but here we here. And I had to switch hands because I was trying to do everything with my right hand, but I'm left-handed, and I didn't want my hand to be in the way. So anyway, once I finally get it in there, I give it about one or two um, twists, because the way it's going to crank it, it's going to go in a specific direction. So you will see it once I get it started. I wanted to hold on to the thread because it's a little loose to guide it. Generally, I don't leave it that loose, but I didn't want it to, go under the machine. You want to make sure it's at that level of the bobbin, because if it start twisting under the bobbin, you have to do everything all the way over. So again, I just want to make sure everything is in place, and then I shift it over to the right, make sure it's locked, because that's the only way it's going to twist your bobbin. And then of course you can see how I got it nice and tight and snug. And you pretty much just use your presser foot, and the presser foot is going to get it going, and it's going to do what it needs to do. So what I like to do in the beginning, I like to take my time to make sure everything is going the way it needs to go. And then you can always speed it up using the presser foot. So the good thing about it, your foot can control how fast it goes or how slow it goes. Okay, once it finished, you just pop it back out. For my machine, of course, it's going to go to the left. Then I can take the bobbin out. And as you can see, the little diagram at the bottom is going to tell you how to put it in as well. The string is turned in the right direction. And I'm just going to use it as my guide to go around the little diagram, around the little curve. It cuts it. It had like a little knife on it. Then I put my thing back on. I mean, my, you know what I mean. But anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and thread it right quick. It's a little awkward because of the position I'm standing in, but we're going to make it work. So I need to get my arm in place so I can go down. And I'm going to tug her, and then I'm going to put it through the needle. And like I said, this is real time. And these are just the things that you go through when you sew with a domestic sewing machine. I don't have any industrial ones yet, but I hope this was helpful to somebody out there. Now, I know you don't have the machine that I have. However, this is what we go through, threading a domestic sewing machine. And once I pop it through the needle, and no, I do have an automated one that I've never cared to learn how to do, but here it is.